siren going off, and I think it might be coming later because like there's no big clouds yet. It does to your screen. Wait, what? It does to your screen, and so is that? Wait, that's just the big blue sky. And subscribe if I survive. And it's not the beginning of the month. It was actually the 3rd. So, I'll see you guys in heaven probably. And subscribe. And here, I'm gonna wait till the tornado siren stops. Ooh, that flash. Actually, might be. There we go. So cool. Is it done?
Good morning, buddy.
Okay, it's done. Bye. Subscribe if I survive. I am gonna survive.